Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today I have an updated video using my favorite technique with the Denman brush. So here I have a 9-row brush, so if you'd like to stick around and see how I get my curls glossy, poppin' and frizz-free using my favorite technique with the Denman brush, then stick around and keep watching. If you enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Here are my needed to be washed curls right here. I've actually had them pulled back. Let's see, this is about my 4th or 5th day curls here, and I washed them, but I added no product. So these are product-free curls, and as you can see, they are very, very stretched out. They got the little like curl clumps trying to hold on the end, but it is time for another wash day and then for the Denman brush. So I'll go off camera, quick wash day. Here it is complete. Now I did go ahead and add a curl cream, and I'll have all those details down below for you. Now time for the Denman brush. I like to first start with splitting my hair half up, half down, and then I do rehydrate if needed. Taking the Denman brush horizontal, bristles down, I'm going to take it about 2 inches away from the roots. I press it into the curl section, wrap it backwards as I wrap the remaining hair around the brush, pull through, and then shake out. So here again, I'm going to take a little section, bristles down, twist it and wrap it, and pull it through. So I'm going to continue with that, and you can also take a smaller section, a bigger section. Sometimes if I'm running out of time, I'll take really big sections, and it just makes for like bigger curl clumps, and then the smaller ones you'll just have way more tinier, nice and tight curls around your head. So I'm just going to keep doing that, taking the bristles, face them down, and then I'm going to twist it backwards, and then the remaining part of the hair around the brush head, and then slide it through, shake it out, and let's go a little quicker on the other side. Here are the wet results of the Denman brush. So they are so glossy and shiny already. They look so hydrated. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep these curls back, and I'm going to use what I love to use all the time, my Zazzy band. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and I will let my curls air dry for the remainder of the day before it's time for me to go to sleep. It is the end of the night, and I have some fully dried curls. I love how the Zazzy band works. It just keeps the curls out of my face, and as I'm going about my day and they're air drying, I have these beautiful curl clumps. Now, I'm going to leave these curl clumps as is because I'm going to get ready for bed. So you're about to see my morning curls after I have them covered with my satin care. And here they are. Good morning to these curls. Again, they're looking amazing. I didn't separate anything. I still got the curl clumps going on. now I'm going to show you how I prep my curls to go to work. So I figured this would be a nice video so you guys can see too. I could just kind of skip to like the separating and the fluffing and all the results, but it's kind of fun to see this little transformation to each day. So for work, I sometimes use a Zazzy band. I put my curls back, and then I'll very loosely put a scrunchie on to hold the bottom half back. And this is how it looks. I go to work, get home, but I actually didn't use the scrunchie today. I just went with the Zazzy band. Here I am. I'm home after my long day at teach and dance. So I'm back. I got these curl clumps patiently waiting to be separated. So we're going to do just that in a moment. Now, sometimes when I go to separate the curl clumps, if it's like next day curls like this, I will kind of refresh them. I use some water, maybe some gel as well, and I use the shingling effect and just smooth the product down my curl and then let that air dry. And then I will pick up this amazing body and hair oil from That's That Magic. It's my favorite. I've been using it for years. So I'm going to use this to separate the curls, and then I'm also going to give myself a quick scalp massage and fluff the curls out. And here are the pop-in results using my favorite technique with the Denman Brush. And this side-by-side comparison is just absolutely amazing, the transformation with the Denman Brush. So let me know down below if you guys have used the Denman Brush, if you've ever thought about it. I'd love to know. So all of my curl friends, my makeup lovers, and my DIY nail techs, I hope you come back next week for another video. Take care and stay thankful.
Whoa.